These peppers are all growing in containers right in my garden. Bell peppers in every color, sweet, crunchy, and packed with vitamin C. Habaneros and Scotch bonnets bring the heat and are rich in capsaicin, which can boost metabolism and fight inflammation. And these Italian sweet peppers, mild, flavorful, and perfect for roasting or fresh eating. Peppers love sunshine, well-draining soil, and consistent watering. Feed them every couple of weeks with a balanced fertilizer or homemade compost tea to keep them healthy and productive. Peppers are not just beautiful, they're nutritious, delicious, and easy to grow. And the best part, they're loaded with antioxidants, support your immune system, and add bold flavor to every meal.